Standing position. Feet parallel and paired together. Stride position. Lunge position. Half knee bed position. Squat position. Sitting position. Long sitting position. Long rest sitting position. Tuck position. Hop position. Cross sitting position. Side sitting position. Stripe sitting position. Heel sitting position. Lying position. Back lying position. Front lying position. Side lying position. Hawk lying position. Tuck lying position. Arm support position. Back arm support position. Front back support position. Side arm support position. Base support position. Bridge support position. Dog stand position. Okay. Oh my God. Hand support position. Hands sideward.